In this video, I'll show you how to save a Google Doc as PDF on your iPhone. So what you have to do first is open Google Docs and then open up any file that you like. Then tap on these three dots from the top right corner. Then tap on Share and Export. From here, just tap on Send a Copy. Now you'll see two options. Of course, you will select PDF and then just tap on OK. Now it is going to prepare that file. And now from here, you will see the option as Save to Files. So just tap here and then tap on Save. And now it is done. We can go to our Files app. And here you can see our PDF file. And if we open it, you can see that the file is ready and we can share it from here however we like. And that is how you can save a Google Doc as PDF file on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.